Hey there, gear jammers and road warriors. You've spent years building your trucking business, hauling freight, and managing logistics. Now you're thinking about cashing in on all that hard work. It's a big decision, selling your business. But let me tell you, selling a trucking business is a whole lot more than just slapping a for sale sign on your rig and parking it out back. Whether you're dreaming of sunny retirement days, itching to try a new venture, or just ready to hand over the keys, this video's for you. We're going to break down the process of selling your trucking business step by step so you can drive away with a pocket full of cash and peace of mind, knowing your legacy is in good hands. Now, before you even think about sticking a price tag on your business, you got to decide what exactly is included in the sale. Think of it like this. You wouldn't sell a rig without the engine, right? Well, your business has its own kind of engine. We're talking about your trucks, trailers, that sweet fleet you've worked so hard to build. But it goes beyond the metal. We're talking about the operating authority, DOT registration, those hard-earned customer contracts, and the relationships you've built with brokers. And don't forget the heart of your operation, your drivers. A reliable team can make or break a buyer's decision. And if you've got a terminal, warehouse, or even just a parking lot, yeah, that factors in too. All right, let's talk numbers. Potential buyers are going to want to see the financial health of your business. Don't worry, it's not about judging your bookkeeping skills. It's about understanding the potential of your business. You'll need profit and loss statements for the past 3 to 5 years, tax returns, balance sheets, the works. Clean, organized financials show you run a tight ship, and that builds confidence in your asking price. This is about transparency and building trust. Now, figuring out what your business is worth, that's the million-dollar question, right? Trucking businesses are often valued based on a multiple of EBITDA. That's your earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. The type of freight you haul, the age and condition of your trucks, driver retention, customer diversity, your safety record, these all play a role. A well-maintained fleet with loyal drivers and a solid safety record, that's going to command a premium price. It's like trading in a classic rig that's been meticulously maintained versus one that's been ridden hard and put away wet. Now, before you roll your business onto the sales lot, let's give it a good tune-up. Just like you wouldn't sell a rig without making sure the engine purrs, you want your business running in tip-top shape. Update your fleet. Maybe retire that old clunker that's been sucking down fuel. Improve your safety scores, get those maintenance records organized, and make sure your operating procedures are clear as a CB radio on a quiet night. You want potential buyers to walk in and see the potential, to picture themselves behind the wheel. You wouldn't hand the keys to your rig to just anyone, would you? Finding the right buyer for your business is just as important. It's about finding someone who understands the value of what you've built. Maybe it's a competitor looking to expand their territory, or an investor who's eager to jump into the driver's seat. It could be an owner-operator looking to scale up, or even a logistics company adding to their fleet. Some are all about the assets. Others are focused on the contracts and long-term potential. Make sure they're qualified, and just as important, that they share your vision for the future of your business. All right, you found a serious buyer. Now it's time for the due diligence phase, the business equivalent of a test drive. They're going to want to look under the hood, kick the tires, and really get a feel for what they're buying. Be ready to open your books. They'll review your financials, scrutinize maintenance records, check driver logs, even pore over your insurance claim. Transparency builds trust, and trust closes deals. So, there you have it. Selling your trucking business is a journey. And like any good haul, it requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a whole lot of grit. By understanding what buyers are looking for, preparing your business, and keeping your records clean, you'll be in the driver's seat to negotiate a fair price. You've poured your heart and soul into building this business, and finding the right buyer ensures that your hard work continues to roll on down the road. And hey, who knows, maybe you'll even get a chance to take one of those shiny new rigs for a spin yourself. Check the pinned comment for a free valuation from our top recommended business broker.